Now, I just wanted to quickly give you a little bit of insight towards how we can take a look at the database of this program. In general, there's not actually really anything too interesting in this app's database, but I figured I'd still show it just to give you an intuition behind what you can look at inside of databases when you're actually able to find them. So again, we're inside of the data directory for the Insecure Bank app, and we just go into the databases directory and we're taking a look at what's inside of there. If I take a look, there's MyDB and MyDB journal. We're typically just interested in MyDB, not the journal portion of it. To enter into it, you're just going to type in SQLite 3 MyDB. Now inside of here, if we want to see what tables exist inside of this database, we would just type in .tables. And you'll see that there's two tables here. There's Android metadata and there's names. To see all the data in each of these tables, we just have to do select queries on them. So I could say select star from Android _ metadata. And you see that this just gives me the data that's inside of that table. And then we could also say select star from names. And you'll see that this gives me the names probably of the users that are inside of this database. But yeah, generally there's not really anything like huge vulnerability wise. What we would typically be looking for here is things like login data, usernames, passwords, things that are unencrypted. Anything that looks bad like that, we would be looking for inside of these databases. And the way that you generally do that is you just list the tables, then select everything from the tables and see if there's anything bad inside of it. Yeah, in this case, we don't really have anything particularly interesting inside of there. I just wanted to show you how you can access it and what sort of things you're going to do when you are able to access it to be able to evaluate if something bad exists in it.